Hey, welcome guys. In this video I'm doing an unboxing of the TaoTronics active noise cancelling wireless headphones. These headphones are actually dirt cheap. You can find them on Amazon, Canada or US, and they're incredibly cheap. And what's interesting about them is that despite their very low price tag, they are advertised as being wireless, having a headphone jack, and having noise cancelling functionality, which to me is great and awesome, but I wonder how they perform. And well, look at this. It looks like it comes with a hard case as well on top of that. So it looks like this manufacturer is really serious about making a huge impact on the wireless headphones industry. I'm surprised that the headphone case is included. It's such a dirt cheap price, and it's actually hard. It's not like soft. And they're the headphones themselves. They seem to be well constructed, pretty well firm built. The cushioning on the ear cups are really thick and soft, which is great. Let's see what the range is like. Yeah, it seems to have some great range, some decent flexibility. It looks like it'll accommodate pretty much any head comfortably. So I mean, I'm just really impressed so far at the first impressions. Just taking it out of the box, getting the headphone case, and let's see what else they included in here. It looks to be a USB cable for charging, micro USB headphone cable, because again it does have a headphone jack, as well as Bluetooth connectivity, and a little pamphlet here. Let's see what it is. It's like warranty information, customer satisfactory details like that, register your product, and a plane adapter, which is always nice to have. So here's the instruction book, I guess, but it's just wireless Bluetooth headphones, should be pretty straightforward. That looks to be pretty much it. So be sure to check out the review link. The link is in the video description. Be sure to hit that like button, it does help. Subscribe, and check out my social links in the video description as well. And thanks for watching.